Hello, guys. Welcome back to our n8n series. Now, there is one important thing that we missed in this AI agent AI agent system that we made. The first one that we made, it is this one, the session ID. Now, there's a problem when storing memory. You see, how can the how can the AI agent differentiate between different memories stored for different persons? The AI agent simply cannot mix them, right? And cannot answer irrelevantly to the person who is different from the previous one. So, in order to segregate the conversations, for example, I'm person A who is conversing with this chat, this AI agent, and I have and the AI agent has some of the information that's needed for further in the conversation. That's when you need to make a separate memory for A person and a B person. So, for example, if I go in simple memory, if I go in simple memory and I collect define below instead of connected chat trigger node, I wrote define below as A and said hi and told him that my name is Bruce. If we add that, yes. Okay, that's pretty much it for now. If we ask it, what is my name? By the way, the name would be updated in the contact data sheet as well. No, it's not. Okay. Your name is Bruce. And if we change the session ID from A to B, we would realize that upon asking what is my name, it would go clueless because the ID has changed, like you can see over here. If you ask my name once again, I'm not able to tell your name from the information available because, of course, the session ID is changed. It is treating B as a different person from A. Hence, it is not able to provide the name. So this will definitely gonna happen in the real world when you have multiple customers who is sending you messages and you would need to store the information for further clarifications. In order to do this, let's just remove this attachment and instead place a Gmail trigger. Yep, that's pretty much it. Um, yep. So let's run this. Yep. So the latest email was this one. When we go over here and defined below the. So what we want is that AI agent should read everything that's coming from the email Gmail trigger instead of the chat trigger. So we want it to read the body as well. Subject. Sorry, this will be subject, not to. And the body would just contain a snippet. As we have enabled the simplify option from the previous node, it's just sending the simplified messages. Okay, that's pretty much it. Now we go to simple memory, and instead of key, we would write from over here. Now, here it's written something else, but this shall contain the email that we received from the person, that particular person. And this is how it's gonna segregate different people and different conversations. So this is it for this video. In the next video, how we will see how we are gonna use Postgres and Supabase to store vectors and texts. Till then, stay tuned and happy learning.